I love Slack, and I'm a big person of using personal computer desktop version versus mobile devices. However, Slack is an exception. Why? Because in the Slack mobile, there's one feature which I wish they add to Slack desktop version in the future. So the feature called catch up. If you're part of any notification in the Slack, either somebody mentioned you, send you direct message, or there's update in some thread where you were part of it in the past and you did not turn off notification, it will be in your catch up. As you can see, I have 8 catch-ups. And by the way, when I start my day, instead of going to my desktop, I open my Slack. Even if I have my desktop available here, I open my phone to go through all messages. I believe this is where people fail, because they say like, I hate Slack because there's so many things, notifications, they don't know where to go. And in the desktop, I agree, it's extremely messy and it's easy to miss notifications. However, in mobile, no, you click on the catch up, and as you can see, you can do, let's say if it's quick reply, you can reply it and click mark as read or keep unread. So this one I need to reply to Tiara, so I'll say keep unread. Again, this is another message, it's like longer, I need to think about it, so I click unread. So next one, it's not to me, but I'm part of this some kind of conversation, so I say mark as read, I don't want to engage there. Also this one, I click keep unread. There's also, they mentioned me, so keep unread. There's some new team member onboarded, so everybody welcoming them to the team, and I already posted my message, so I don't need, so I can say it as mark as read. The next one, keep unread. This is a Slack, a sales channel where we receiving all our leads. Click you see, and that says everything is sorted, let's start something new. So basically I went through all my notification and I did 2 actions. So I said like keep it unread or read. So next in an hour or 2 or tomorrow I can do the same. And this is the most organized and the most productive way to keep up with all of your notifications.